دي جمل إنجليزية مهمة مناسبة لأي شغل. أول حاجة عبارات التعامل مع الصعوبات. Let's find the solution. Let's find the solution. We can overcome this challenge. We can overcome this challenge. Don't worry. We will figure it out. Don't worry. We will figure it out. تاني حاجة عبارات التواصل. Please keep me updated. Please keep me updated. Let's touch base later. Let's touch base later. I will follow up with you. I will follow up with you. عبارات التقدير. Your hard work is appreciated. Your hard work is appreciated. You have a great perspective. You have a great perspective. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. عبارات التعبير عن الأسف. I regret any inconvenience. I regret any inconvenience. I apologize for the misunderstanding. I apologize for the misunderstanding. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. عبارات التحليل. Let's analyze the situation. Let's analyze the situation. We need to look at the data. We need to look at the data. What are the implications? What are the implications? What are the implications? عبارات الاقتراحات الإيجابية. Consider this option. Consider this option. It might be beneficial too. It might be beneficial too. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. عبارات التحضير. Are we ready to proceed? Are we ready to proceed? Let's prepare for the meeting. Let's prepare for the meeting. Do we have everything we need? Do we have everything we need? Let me clarify. Let me clarify. Just to be clear. Just to be clear. Here is what I mean. Here is what I mean. عبارات التعبير عن الرغبات. عبارات التعبير عن الرغبات. I would like to suggest. I'd like to suggest. I hope we can. I hope we can. It would be great if. It would be great if. عبارات الإيجابية. We can achieve this together. We can achieve this together. Let's stay positive. Let's stay positive. Every challenge is an opportunity. Every challenge is an opportunity. عبارات الاستفسار. Could you explain that further? Could you explain that further? What are the next steps? What are the next steps? Can you summarize that for me? Can you summarize that for me? عبارة التعبير عن القلق. I have some concerns about it. I have some concerns about it. This might be an issue. This might be an issue. Let's monitor this closely. Let's monitor this closely. عبارات المشاركة. I'd like to share my thoughts. I'd like to share my thoughts. Here's what I think. Here's what I think. Let's collaborate on this. Let's collaborate on this. عبارات التأكيد. That's correct. That's correct. Absolutely. Absolutely. I can confirm that. I can confirm that. عبارات التعبير عن التقدير الشخصي. عبارات التعبير عن التقدير الشخصي. I admire your dedication. I admire your dedication. You have a great work ethic. You have a great work ethic. Your creativity is inspiring. Your creativity is inspiring. عبارات التواصل الفعال. Let's keep the lines of communication open. Let's keep the lines of communication open. I value your opinion. I value your opinion. Feel free to reach out anytime. Feel free to reach out anytime. عبارات إعطاء الملاحظات. I have some feedback for you. I have some feedback for you. This is a great start. This is a great start. Consider refining this aspect. Consider refining this aspect. عبارات التحفيز على العمل الجماعي. Teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work. Together we can accomplish more. Together we can accomplish more. Let's support each other. Let's support each other. عبارات إنهاء المحادثة. Thanks for the discussion. Thanks for the discussion. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. Let's catch up later. Let's catch up later. It's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing.